Hi my dear friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your music teacher. If you're new to my channel or you simply want to repeat previous lessons, I'll leave for you a link down below on playlist Beginner Theory Lessons, and there you will find everything what you need. Also, don't forget that every Wednesday, every week, every month I'm releasing for you new video lesson. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press on the bell, so like this every Wednesday or maybe a little bit earlier you will get a notification about new lesson. Well, the question for all musicians of all age and all levels is always how many sharps or how many flats are in this scale or the other scale. Somebody long time ago invented a circle. In English language, that circle called circle of fifth. And for me it's a little bit strange. When I'm doing my lessons, I'm translating my knowledge from Russian language because I'm a natively Russian speaking person, and I'm translating all that information on English language, and I can see how different the languages presenting the same material, let's say like this, yeah. So on English language this circle is called circle of fifth, but if I literally translate it from Russian language, it will be circle of fourth and fifth. And to me personally, this is more accurate way to call it, and now you will understand why. So I prepared for you a picture as always I do, yeah, and you will see that picture right here. So for sharp tonalities we will use perfect fifth interval, and for flat tonalities we will use perfect fourth interval. Let me explain you how we will do that. By the way, if you still don't know what is this interval, because I just earlier mentioned perfect fifth and fourth, you can click here on the card right above my head and just find that lesson. So you already know, I hope you know, that in C major there is no flats, no sharps, yeah? So we will start to count from C major. If we will build from C major perfect fifth up, yeah, it will be C, G. So in C major you don't have any accidentals, but in G it will be G major. We will have already one accidental, and it will be F sharp. Let's move on. Next, in C major scale, next note is D. Yeah, so C, G, next D. In D, D major, we already have two sharps, and it will be F sharp and C sharp. Now we build it from D perfect fifth up, and it will be A. In A major we already have three sharps: F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. Next note in C major is E. So you see the part pattern, yeah, we build already C, G, D, A, and now E. In E major there is 4 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. If we will build from E perfect fifth, we will get H. And in H major we will have 5 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. And you can continue so on. So if you don't have any picture with you, yeah, that you can just look at it and count how many accidentals on that scale or the other one, you always can count on your fingers. You remember like our first lesson when we were learning with you name all the notes we were using our fingers, yeah? The same way we can count how many accidentals in any scale, yeah? So for example, okay, let's take now A major, yeah? Okay, we will do like this: C major, then from C major perfect fifth up it will be G major, then D major, yeah, then perfect fifth up A major. So you have here 4 fingers, so it's supposed to mean that there is 4 sharps. But don't forget that in C major there is no accidentals at all, so we have to minus 1 finger. And what we have left, we have not these fingers, we have left only 3 fingers, and that means that in A major only 3 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Or for example, H major, yeah, C major, G major, D major, A major, E major, H major. But we remember in C major there is no accidentals, -1, and we have left only 5 fingers, and that means in H major there is 5 sharp accidentals: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. So now let's work with flat scales. Also we will start from C major because C major don't have any accidentals, but this time for flat scales we will go perfect fourth down. First scale is C major, perfect fourth up it will be C, F, F major. In F major we have 1 flat, and it will be B. Or like in the States, you guys, you're saying B flat. In Europe, and I mentioned that before already, we are meant to say for B harsh, and for the B flat we are saying B. So C, F, it's perfect fourth. Now you have to go down. If for sharp scales and tonality you were going perfect fifth up, here we will go perfect fourth down. So C, F, B, or B flat. So in B or B flat, American way saying major, we will have 2 flats, and it will be B and E flat, flat major. In E flat major we have three flats: B, E flat and A flat. And you can go so on down perfect fourth: C, F, B, E flat, A flat, D flat. Yeah, and as I explained, you have other way to count how many accidentals you have in the scale, and it's on your fingers. So for example, let's see how many flats we have in D flat major. Yes, C, F, B, E flat, A flat, D flat. Oh, like this. If D flat. But remember, C major don't have any accidentals, so -1, and we have only 5 left. So that's mean in D flat major we have 5 flats, and it will be B, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. And minor scales or tonalities, yeah, it's very easy. You have to take a major scale and just go minor third interval down. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, write me down below in the comments. I'll be glad to help you. Also, if you're new on my channel, don't forget subscribe to it. And every Wednesday, new lesson will wait for you. And then you will be able to learn something new and even more I mean violin lessons.